The following episode of Dad vs. Daughter was made possible by a contribution from GTS Distribution.
Hello and welcome to another special unboxing episode of Dad vs. Daughter. I'm Tim the Dad, and today along with Megan, we're going to open up Smiths of Winterforge. Now, this is a game that's got a lot of cubes and dice and player boards, and it's a very colorful board. So let's just get to it, open it up, and check out what's inside. This is a heavy box.
Is it heavy as Francis Drake? No. If I can lift it with one hand, it's not as heavy as
Nothing
Francis
as
Drake.
heavy as Francis
That
Drake.
is the worst game just for weight. Oh my god.
I'll show you the back there. Forge your destiny. The cavernous halls of Winterforge echo once more with the roar of fire and the ring of steel.
This isn't Winterfell though.
What is that?
It's from Game of Thrones.
I don't watch Game of
It's where the
Thrones.
Starks live.
The Starks? Tony?
No. Maybe his like ancestors.
Oh.
And that's where like Sansa and all of them, Arya. Super cool house.
Yeah, the 6 legendary guilds compete for the favor of the royal family, a favor that brings with it a contract of unrivaled value. The Royal Centenary Contract, guaranteed work for 100 years. Only one thing stands in your way, everyone else.
Yikes.
Yeah, you get to hire your crew, hone your skills, gather your goods, and forge your destiny.
I feel like that's going to be a key component, the forging.
Yeah,
In a game about forging.
it is in the title.
Alright, it is a slick box.
Is
So
it
that-
grabbing?
Means
There
it
we go.
doesn't like me.
You have more problems with box
I
lids.
am terrible at opening boxes. Alright.
That
That's
looks like
kinda cool.
Gimli from Lord of the Rings.
I was gonna say, it does look kind of very Lord of the Rings-esque here. But very big and colorful. Looks like you get
Ooh.
Mew.
That's cool. So that the coolness factor just went
That you get
went up.
Mew.
Mjolnir.
Mew. You gotta do it like Darcy says. Darcy's pretty cool. It looks like we've got like a purple, a green, a blue, and a yellow.
Dibs on green.
Do you want to be a chick? Looks like it's a chick.
It might be double.
It could be double-sided. Most of them are double-sided. There's a red one. It's probably like your different clan.
Forging the contract.
Wow. It's like we have to throw in
Look
forge.
at the guild hall and
Everywhere.
a tavern.
Hey, taverns
See
are
that?
fun places to hang out at.
Well, but the dwarves, aren't they always drunk?
I mean, pretty much.
They're
Here we
always
go.
drinking.
There's Mew. He's a little punch out.
That's not really little. That's kind of big.
He's little compared to the real one. Compared to Thor's hammer. Alrighty, here's our board though. It's pretty cool. It's
I
upside
got
down.
upside down.
I was like, I
And there's
can't read it
nothing
now.
nothing on the back.
It's black.
But yeah,
That's
so
pretty cool though.
So you're gonna have like a market, I think, for your cards here. Then these are basically places that you can send your workers to.
It's very colorful. It's
It
nice
is.
and bright.
You have your banking district. I wonder if that's where all the elves are at, like Grimhook and those guys.
See, I was thinking you were still like going on the Lord of the Rings thing, and I was
The
like, what?
Oh, look at this. It's the Tavern District.
That is cool.
So that's like Rush Street in Chicago, where all the bars are at.
Yeah, there you go. Alrighty, here are some of our boards. It is not double-sided.
Okay, so this is for the blue player, I guess.
The
He is the
Gilmead
Jewelers.
Your red cloaks. That looks like a dwarf from The Lord of the Rings.
I think it's a dork.
I mean,
Looks like a
you
dork.
know.
Oh.
Iron Brow.
Ironbrow. I am Ironbrow.
Yikes. The Gilded Oak.
The Gilded Oak, not Golden Oak.
No.
Because Golden Oak Lending cured my blues.
Did it? Is that what they say in the commercial? I don't pay much attention to that one. Battle
purple.
Forgers. She's kind of cool. She's kind of got red hair. That might be
So,
purple in
yeah.
this game.
Yeah.
And the Forge Hammer. There's a green.
Yeah.
It's a girl.
It's okay.
It's cool.
And she's redhead too.
Yeah. Alright, so we've got some
Player
easy
aids?
yet player aids. So, forging a contract, your success or failure,
While you're doing that, I'm going to go ahead and open these cards
and
up.
then up to 3 actions per turn in any order. So, actions, forge, bank, market, guild hall, and tavern. That's kind of cool.
Now, this is a pretty thick deck of cards here.
Oh, that's pretty thick.
And I already think that the artwork on these look pretty cool. Now, don't ask me to pronounce these because,
We don't speak Norse.
yeah, this would be
Nordic.
any bets? Any guesses?
Kale.
Kale.
Probably not.
Baron.
Yeah.
Have to watch Brave Again.
Brave.
Learn how to.
That's Scottish.
Well,
They're
I don't know. This is kind of.
They're very Scottish, Celtic-y. Yari?
Yari, isn't Yari like the king or something? Jarl or something like
I
that.
don't
The troll
know.
cleaver. So yeah, you're gonna be forging weapons and such. Oh, I thought that said Thomag's favor.
What do you think it said?
I don't
His
know,
rage.
Like Thor. His
We
rage.
can just call it Thor.
Heart of Glory. The royal beard rings. Yeah, you want rings hanging from your beard.
Ooh.
I know I'm gonna say that's Thor.
Yeah,
I'm gonna
we're
shorten
just
it to
gonna
Thor's
call it
guard.
Thor.
Yeah, so you got
Thor's
a
guard.
bunch of different ones, and they're
Yeah,
kind of
so-
different. So like those have like a purple edge
Yeah.
around there. These have like
Red.
a yeah.
With sparks.
Make sure that's in focus there. Yeah. Because that's what dwarves do, don't they? Don't they forge weapons?
I mean, I guess.
And the Stormbreaker, wasn't that the
Yeah.
yeah? Different kinds of.
Okay.
Oh, here we
see,
go.
He was the
Are
last dwarf.
Okay, so here, whoa. Okay, so here's the back of those. So this is different cards, I guess you forge. Looking at the backs, they're a little bit different. Okay, then we've got these cards that have this back. Oh, that's those cards we saw at the beginning. So we got a couple different kinds of decks, but this looks funny. Tavern Brawl. Remove the 3 face-up crew cards in the tavern from the game, because when you brawl in a tavern, somebody's going to jail. But
I mean,
looks like
if you're not caught, you're fine.
so looks like you've got these are like and it says right on the back it says event. And I like how the art kind of shows like these are sparks, going off of these. So that's kind of cool. And then looks like we've got some people cards here. Not really wild about how that person looks. Yeah, but you can see, well, hey, one more beer, the guy's saying. He's a bodyguard. Yeah,
It's a wayward
have
son.
one more beer. Carry on.
You gotta carry on. Yikes.
So you can see these guys. Hey, there's a guy that's got.
He's a
missing an
veteran,
eye.
so
He's a
that's
veteran.
why. Drop out. Tinker. Apprentice.
Oh,
Retiree.
uh-huh.
Transporter.
The
Trader.
That doesn't look like Jason Statham.
He's bald.
His-
Kind of
his-
counts.
his Transporter. Those are good movies. You should watch
I've not
those.
seen those.
Yeah.
I don't like Jason Statham though,
traitor.
like you do.
Ah,
I
shame
know.
on you, Jason
The
Statham.
I think the only movie I've actually seen with Jason Statham was The Pink Panther, and he died within 5 minutes.
Spoilers.
I mean, that movie's been out for a while.
And that movie was bad. Yeah, it was pretty horrible too.
Negotiator.
I actually thought that was a different finger.
Oh, yikes.
yeah.
Diplomat. Master crafter. Is that like the master builder?
Yeah, I don't know.
Accountant.
So,
Inventor.
So you can see those are those cards.
Got little cards.
Little cards.
Little cards.
Now what's the back of those?
Just
So it looks like
whoa.
different decks. Whoa!
Yeah, slightly if I don't drop them all here. It's fine.
So yeah, so let's separate these out so it might be easier
There
to
we go.
hold.
Yeah.
Here, I'll take.
Okay.
Those are all
Those are all
greenbacks.
greenbacks.
So all the same there.
Yep. So it looks like there's some quartz, copper,
Oh.
your resources.
Yeah, exactly. That's what I was thinking.
Garnet, steel. Are these gonna be like all the crystal gems, like Steven Universe in here now? Diamonds and rubies, emeralds,
Bam!
gold,
Oh, wrong emerald.
emerald, obsidian. Very nice. All right, and you've got a small deck here.
Yeah, so
Whoop.
show
Sorry.
you that the back of these, not real colorful, but so we have, looks like certificates. We have Winterforge. So these are, let's see, 610. Are these all the same? They look like it.
Yeah, I think so. Banks.
Oops.
They're probably like your loans or something.
Oh, that could very well be. You have to-
Something in the bank.
oh, there's an 8 and 12. So well, there's 10 and 14. So
Or victory points, maybe.
I don't know.
So I've got these massive things.
Wonder what those are.
So the Thieves Guild, the Auction House, the Runesmith, and the Shrine of Thor. So we're just gonna call him Thor.
Let's see. Do
Don't
those match up with the backs of these cards here?
They might. It's like a helmet and like a weird thing. Yeah, probably.
Helmet
that one does.
and
Because that one's that one. I don't know. We'll probably figure that out.
well, yeah, we'll figure it out.
figure it
And the
out.
insert looks pretty cool.
Yeah, we got some dice.
So you can see that. Oh, okay. Let's check out the dice
They're
because
colorful.
I'm all about the dice. Oh,
These
yeah.
are cool. You got all different types of dice.
So you got different sided dice there.
Kind of like D&D dice.
8-sided dice, 12-sided dice, 6-sided. There's a 4-sided. So these are pretty cool. I mean, there's nothing really special about them. Different choice in color. This is kind of more of a pastel.
Neon-y. It's not pastel. It's more like
Yeah, I don't know. They're light. They're not the
they're very
real
bright
dark
compared to the
colors.
rest of the colors of the game that are kind of dark.
Yeah. Whoa.
And
Dropping stuff
dice.
all over the place.
Yeah, it's clumsy.
Here, you know what? I'll just throw them in the box.
Yeah.
And what we got there?
Wooden cubes.
So these are just kind of like your standard wooden cubes. A little bit bigger
A little bit bigger.
than like your normal marker cubes, but cool nonetheless. All right.
And we've got our people. And
Oh, they
I'm
got
gonna
like little
point that
hammers
out. Or it's a beer.
or a beer.
Depending. It's probably both.
it's-
It's multi-purposeful.
It could be a beer. It could be a hammer.
Depending where you're at.
That could be. If you're in the tavern, it could be your beer.
Could be a hammer. You could have your beer and like forge. Who knows? I mean, that's not safe either, but who knows?
Yeah. All right. So this looks pretty cool. Look forward to checking this out. Oh,
Yep.
You got some more stuff?
Nope,
or we already
already
looked
did
at
it.
Oh, okay. So that is the Smiths of Winterforge, and we will catch you guys next time.
Bye.
If you would like to support us, you can visit patreon.com/dadvdaughter.
Like and follow us on Facebook to stay current on our show schedule, sneak peeks at future shows, and to interact with us.